Alright, here we've got a Brilliant 30-foot packer. It doesn't have a lot of paint on it, but it's very straight. Wheels are decent. Got a little bit of play in them. The frame, I saw a couple places, right? So right there's a non-factory weld. And kind of the same thing on that block on the other side. That block, that's where a lot of the pressure is, okay? So you got a couple of those going, but nothing's gonna hurt the packer. I did see a little drip right here in a cylinder. You may need a seal kit in that. Looks like it's coming out of the, yeah, it's coming right out of the base. So, other than that, it does have scrapers on it. Good and straight, just come off of a liquidation. And it's going to be sold absolute on our live auction.